Welcome back sa aking tutorial. Today, turuan ko kayo how to burn CD in a shampoo burning software. First time lang ngayon guys nag-burn ng CD sa shampoo software. Tapos tuturuan ko ba kayo. First time ko lang din gagawa ng tutorial sa netbook ko. Okay, step 1, copy the file of your MP3 or WAV file in your device such as USB or cell phone. Go to your file explorer, go to this PC, go to your device and find your SD card. Find where you put your music. Before you can burn in shampoo burning software, you must copy the songs or folder in your PC or laptop. Here, yan. Carpenter's Tool this one, Carpenter's Tool this two. Here, album from Carpenter's Tool. Copy, click Control, right click, copy, go to your music folder and right click, click paste. So after that, we can start to our tutorial. Okay, I will just pause the screen recording this tutorial and we will go back after we finish. Okay, repose. Okay, it's done. You can see here. Okay, start to our tutorial. Go to shampoo burning software and right click in and as administrator to use the full service of this software. now disconnect your device to your PC or laptop. I'll just disconnect this cell phone to my netbook. You must click no data transfer. Okay. So if you will burn audio, you must choose audio. This CD will play on car stereo or DVD player. Go to audio, click create audio CD. Click the add files, and the problem of this software is after you put the folder or songs, it will pop up the icon again. That's the issue that I first encountered. Go to music. We'll burn the Carpenter's School, this one. Click and then add. Let's see, it will fit in this 300 MB CD blank because it has 20 songs. Add. No. Carpenter's this one. Open. Control A. Then add. Right. See. Only 20. Okay, we will pause again. I'll return after I delete this. Okay, after I do that, so 21 songs is enough for 50 minutes. So I will just remove this number 21 track. I click then remove because I just need 20 tracks in this album of Carpenter's School. Click next. Please burn audio CD. The insert trade CD is okay. This is nice burning software because it checks the CD blank or DVD blank. So the speed depends on you, but if you want quality CD burn, you must slow the speed or put it in the slowest. Number of copies only one. Click right CD. demonstrate the burning of this audio CD. Okay. Progress remaining about 20 minutes, so it's too long, no, about 28 minutes. Okay, we'll return it after it finish. Okay, remaining is done on meeting it. After this, I will not show you the continuation of my burning. Yan. Okay na tapos. Audio CD after this successfully. After that, I will tell you after this it's done, and I will tell you that you must print your CD front insert cover and CD back insert cover. You will get this from this Ghost. Okay, I will show you my result of my print from computer shop in our place. This is this stove, Carpenter's Gold. As you can hear, that's the sound of CD that is put in the video room. Click next. Okay. Right, CD. Right, so that's enough. So this is the Carpenter's Gold that I print in our computer shop in our town in the Puranga, Aklan. And I get this from Lazada also. This is very cheap, 1 peso per CD sleeve. So you just need to cut this with your scissor and put it in this CD sleeve. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are updated with my videos about tutorial vlog and unboxing. Thanks guys for watching.